How to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. If you have forgotten your Gmail password and want to recover it on your iPhone, then it is an easy method. Just make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the iOS 18. Then there you will get to see a password manager app option available on your home screen. Now, just to let you know that Gmail does not have a built-in feature to show you the password, but you can easily see Gmail password if you have stored it on your iPhone's password manager. Now, once you open it, you will be authenticated with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode to unlock the list of saved password. Now, all you have to do is tap on the passkeys option available there. Now, simply tap on the passkeys and in the list of saved password, look for the Gmail and tap on the Gmail and it will show you the password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.